Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to record the screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to start recording, just use upper bar twice and let's tap screen recorder. So let me here tap start, let's just enable a few permissions, and right now you just starting recording your screen. If you would like to stop recording, you can just tap stop right here, or you can knock twice on your screen with 2 knuckles. Let me show you. That's it, recording saved to gallery. You can also start recording one more time, tap start. And if you would like to stop recording, you can use the second trick. You can press together power key and volume up, let me show you. And you just stop recording. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.